Hello everyone. I am Anusha BM from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore from EC department. I am going to give small presentation about corrosion. What is corrosion? Corrosion is a natural process that converts a refined metal into a more chemical state oxide. A few general examples of corrosion are the rusting of iron and the appearance of a green color in a copper. Due to a corrosion, lots of buildings, bridges, and ships that are constructed using iron get affected. See your examples like this. Next, basic types of corrosion. Basic type of corrosion, there are two: dry corrosion and wet corrosion. Let us discuss dry corrosion. Dry corrosion. Dry corrosion that occurs in absence of moisture. It involves a direct attack of a chemical on the metal surface. The process is slow. The process of a corrosion is uniform. For example, formation of AgCl on silver metal. Next one is wet corrosion. That corrosion occurs in presence of conducting medium. It involves formation of electrochemical cells. It is a rapid process. It depends on the size of anodic part of metal. Example, rusting of iron. Next, these are the types of corrosion, like dry corrosion examples and wet corrosion example. Next, let us discuss electrochemical theory of corrosion, taking iron as an example. According to electrochemical theory, when a metal such as iron is exposed to a corrosive environment, following changes occur. A large number of tiny galvanic cells with anodic and cathodic region. See a figure: water dipped droplet and anodic area. Iron dissolves forming a pit, and rust and cathodic area. Next we can see the reactions. Reaction of anodic region. Fe deuterates to Fe2 plus 2 electron. Reaction of cathodic region. Liberation of hydrogen. In acidic medium, the reaction is 2H plus 2 electron deuterates to H2. In neutral or alkane medium, the reaction is 2H2O plus 2 electron deuterates to 2OH minus plus H2. Absorption of oxygen. In acidic medium, the reaction is 4H plus O2 plus 4 electron deuterates to 2H2O. In neutral or alkane medium, the reaction is 2H2O plus O2 plus 4 electron deuterates to 4OH minus. Next, overall reaction. The iron ions Fe2 plus from anode combine with hydroxyl ions from cathode to form iron hydroxide on the surface between the anode and cathode areas. Example one reaction. Fe plus 2 plus 2 OH minus FeOH taken 2 times. Iron hydroxide further reacts with oxygen and water, forming hydrated iron oxide, which is the corrosion product rust. 4 FeOH taken 2 times plus O2 plus 2H2O, 2 taken Fe2O3 into 3H2O. Next we can discuss about types of corrosion. There are four types of corrosion: differential metal corrosion or galvanic corrosion, different irritation corrosion, waterline corrosion, and pitting corrosion. Let us discuss one by one corrosions. First one is differential metal corrosion or galvanic corrosion. First point, galvanic corrosion occurs when two metals having different composition or electrically coupled in the presence of electrolyte. The more reactive metal will express severe corrosion, while the noble metal will be protected from corrosion. A common example of galvanic corrosion occurs in galvanized iron, a sheet of iron or steel covered with zinc coating. This is an example: galvanic corrosion, blemtic corrosion, brass screw, middle steel nut. This is cathode protected. This is anode undergoes corrosion. Next, differential artesian corrosion. When a metal is exposed to a different concentrations of air or oxygen, part of the metal exposed to lower concentration of oxygen becomes anodic and undergoes corrosion, whereas other part of a metal exposed to a higher concentration of oxygen becomes cathodic and remains unaffected. This kind of corrosion is called as differential artesian corrosion. This type of corrosion that occurs when oxygen concentration or vary across a metal surface. Differential artesian corrosion often happens when steel gathering that isn't sufficiently protected or kept clean and clear from blockage. Next, waterline corrosion. Waterline corrosion is a type of oxidation process that can happen to materials in contact with water. Next, waterline corrosion occurs when one portion of a base material is submerged in the water and other portion is in contact with the air. Waterline corrosion occurs when differential irritation is present in neutral medium. It is usually found in steel gathering pipes and tanks that are poorly maintained or damaged. See, your pipes are damaged and